Hello, everyone. Could you please tell us your names?
My name is Elliot.
And I'm Charlie.
And what is your team name?
It's Exceptional Errors.
That's a very interesting name. Why did you choose that name?
It's more of like why not?
Why not indeed? Okay. Now, could you tell us about your app, what it does, and how it helps make a change?
Pretty much what it does is it helps people be aware of their impact on the environment, and it helps people like understand how much they can pollute during like a normal car drive. And we hope it brings people makes them aware of like what they should do to stop that and like reduce their impact.
Now, what are some good memories that you have about this season's game of apps?
It was working on some of the design things that we did, like collaborations with the Fig Jams, and where we all posted like different like pictures and stuff.
One of my memorable moments was at the start where we had to do a whole bunch of okay, so that was in Java, I guess. I like those kind of like mini sessions a lot because they're quite straightforward while also being like understandable.
So you must have come a long way since then. Since I believe it's been over 24 weeks by now.
Yes.
What are some good reasons for people to vote for your team?
It's really useful for people to tell what their impact on the environment is. I think people are curious too.
We tried implementing some special kind of code into it. Not like too complex, but sort of like some graphs, although we haven't figured out how we can move the data yet.
Looking forward to those surprises and how you've implemented them. All right, so thank you very much to Charlie and Elliot for joining in our showcase. All right, so this is Team 7, Exceptional Errors, and looking forward to seeing your project in the pitch presentations.
Okay.
All right, thanks everyone. All right,
Thank
bye.
you.
Yeah, bye.